Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Rel.
I'm Danielle.
Take 2 of welcoming you guys to our channel. I'm Rel.
I'm Danielle.
And today we're at our second stop of the 7 Wonders of New Jersey. Quick pause. Take 3. Welcoming you guys to our channel. I'm Rel.
I'm Danielle.
And this is our second stop on visiting the 7 Wonders of New Jersey. So today we're at Paterson Falls in Paterson, New Jersey.
It is really awesome. Actually, I was not expecting how cool this is and how big of falls they are. There's a lot of history back in this town. It was founded back in 1700s by Alexander Hamilton, and it was used for like making silk and different machineries. So this is like a river that they use as a power source, which is really cool. So yeah, we're just gonna take you along. It's really pretty actually. It's kind of dead smack in the middle of a dirty city. So we do have a lot of places that are like filled with trash, but it's weird that you can have such a beautiful thing in the middle of chaos. It's cold, but it's really pretty. But it's also covered in trash. So, like, really sad, actually.
I'm gonna say it again. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it would be.
I guess, but it's still really bad. We're in Paterson, New Jersey, really close to the city. So I'm sure that's where a bunch of the trash is coming from, because there's just a lot of population here, like huge population of people in a short little town. So I think that's kind of why it's so dirty, unfortunately. But I guess because it's so dangerous, they don't have people coming in and cleaning it up.
I can see why these falls are considered the wonder of New Jersey. They're actually pretty dope. I've seen a lot of waterfalls in my hiking adventures. And these are like up there. These are like definitely one of the top ones for sure. So like it's pretty dope that this is in New Jersey. So we found this cool spot that's like right next to the water. And honestly, it's pretty dope that a feature like this is right in the center of urbanization, and you can visit it anytime. But at the same time, I think it has its drawbacks. You know, there's just a ton of garbage and pollution, and you can just clearly tell how polluted the water is, and there's just literally garbage all around us, just pumpkins right next to us. And it's a shame that, you know, this is a product of our world today.
It's kind of metaphorical if you think about it, because I feel like the world is filled with such beautiful things, but they're outshadowed by all of the shitty people and things and incidents that are going on in the world today. So it's kind of metaphorical. It's the exact same thing. It's weird that you can have such a beautiful, amazing waterfall, and then all around it is just like a dirty city.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's crazy. I mean, it also is really old, so I don't think we do enough as a society to keep old things restored enough. So, but it is a really cool spot. It's beautiful views. If it weren't for like the 50 Coors Light cans over there, and like the pumpkins to our left, and all of the random shit that's on the ground. So I don't know. It's still amazing, but it does make us sad when we see that, because we are really environmentally
conscious.
Yes, we are really environmentally conscious at heart.
So some cool facts about Paterson is that it was the U.S.'s first industrial planned city. The waterfall allowed them to use hydropower and to generate electricity, and they can use that for different industries. So this city, town, whatever you want to call it, really came up during the Industrial Revolution. Alexander Hamilton was a big part of establishing the start, and it grew. Unfortunately, it was next to New York, so New York outshadows it, but it has a lot of history behind it. And these falls are at the center of everything.
If you guys want to visit, we'll put like the National Historic Parks website down below in the description, and you guys can come visit on your own. New Jersey has so much to offer. A lot of people just think it's, you know, cities and turnpikes and stuff, but there is so much more beauty here in this little state. So
we just looked up what food Paterson is known for, and they're just known for everything, because literally every type of culture lives in the area. So just any type of food you want is here. And yeah, that's definitely a privilege with Jersey and New York City. So many cultures live in the area, and you can experience so much.
Yeah, and also, fun fact, Alexander Hamilton was an immigrant himself, so his dream was to create a place where immigrants could come and start life and aid in like a diverse cultural town. So that's kind of what Paterson is known for. So you can't really find one thing to do here. There's so many meshed cultures together. It's really, really cool. So I definitely encourage you guys to come and see it yourself.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching us, and hopefully you come along on our next adventure.
Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It does help our channel, and it does push us out to other people in the same genre. So please do that. If you don't know what it is, it's that like button, the subscribe button, and you can even touch the little head that's right here. And also go back and watch our other videos. We have Shenandoah vlog, which is amazing, and then we have that one wonder of New Jersey that we already went on. It's in the same playlist, so make sure to check it out, and we love you guys. Thanks. Bye. So technically, this is our second national park that we've been to, and it's very exciting. We normally get a sticker every time we go. Well, I started that the last time we went.
We've literally been to one.
But they don't have stickers here on this. Well, I didn't ask, but he doesn't think that they have stickers here.
You can ask the park rangers at their fold-out table if they have stickers.
Their fold-out table. I just feel like having a tradition is important. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have traditions when you go places. Like, do you do magnets? I know a lot of people do magnets. That's kind of corny. Ours is kind of corny too, but I think
stickers is the same thing.
I think it's fun. It's not the same thing.
It's fair. If we go to any major national parks, we can get stickers for it and keep it somewhere.
I'm just collecting photos too. So I have the photos from Shenandoah and then the photo in front of the falls today. I'm gonna make like a photo wall in our house. I keep saying this and it just never happens. But eventually I'm gonna make a photo wall in the house. Because I went to a Hawaii Airbnb where there were travelers and they had like a photo collage on their wall with like all different types of frames that didn't match, and it looked really cool, so I'm copying it. If I can find the footage, I'll just like replay it right now. But yeah, can you go ask for the sticker?
Let's try to buy it.
We're just gonna scope it out.
Yeah, I very highly doubt they have a sticker. There's no way. We gotta get moving anyway, because it's gonna make your car smell like weed. It's gonna be annoying.
Who?
It won't come out. Oh, you're down.
That
happened to me once, and it took like 2 weeks for the smell to get out of my car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oof. Do they have stickers? Dun 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 dun. All I see is brochures. I don't see a sticker. Sad day. Sad day.